Want a do-it-yourself pothole repair to look like a professional job that improves curb appeal and resale value? Start by preparing the hole and the surrounding pavement thoroughly so the new material bonds and sits flush. Remove loose debris and water, then square the hole using a cold chisel or saw to create straight edges that allow a clean feathering transition. Compact the base with a hand tamper or a few firm stomps if you do not have a tamper, aiming for a solid, slightly crowned surface so water runs off. When applying patch material, use small lifts no thicker than 2 inches and compact each lift firmly to eliminate voids. If your product calls for a primer or binder, apply it per the manufacturer directions. Feather the edges by pressing the patch material out toward the surrounding asphalt with the flat end of a trowel so there is a smooth slope rather than an abrupt lip. Match the color by choosing a like material and, if needed, rubbing in a thin dusting of stone dust or fine gravel to reduce contrast once the patch is packed and cured. Keep the work area tidy by cleaning up spilled mix and smoothing any ragged edges. And allow the repair to cure fully before driving on it to prevent deformation. Common problems include a sunken repair from poor compaction, an obvious patch edge due to abrupt transitions, and a color mismatch that draws the eye to the repair. If the repair sinks, it is usually because the base was not compacted or the patch was applied too thickly in one lift. Fix this by removing the loose material, re-establishing a compacted base, and applying smaller lifts with thorough tamping. If the edge is obvious, feather the perimeter with a trowel and work some binding agent or fine aggregate into the joint so the transition blends with the existing pavement. For color mismatch, choose a patch product with a close aggregate composition and, if needed, lightly broadcast matching stone dust while the surface is still tacky to integrate tones. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and contractors with new job opportunities related to projects like resurfacing and pothole repairs. We also host a discussion community where we share techniques, product experiences, and before and after photos, so we can learn from each other and improve curb appeal together.